engaging the PTO in this automatic transmission with a air shift PTO. The truck right now is running in park. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in gear so we can stop the transmission from rotating in order to engage our PTO and not cause any clashing between the gears. So I'm gonna go ahead and just select reverse in this case, since I'm just closest to that gear. So I'm gonna go ahead and engage PTO in, and I'm gonna return back to park. So I have my PTO engaged. At this time I can either decide to operate it while I'm at park. You just go up, and then return back to the middle to neutral, or I can lower it and it comes down. Turn back to neutral. If I don't want to decide to move the truck while dumping up, I just go ahead and select drive, and then on drive, as soon as you press the gas, it'll start going up slowly. You can empty out your material. After that, like I said, once you lower the dump itself, it automatically kicks out that PTO. You're gonna notice that, which is just a safety feature, just in case you forget to disengage it, you don't have to run the truck with the PTO running. Just the main thing to remember is engaging PTO air switch. It has to be in a gear, reverse, drive, engage it, neutral or park, and then you can operate your dump up or down. This is your Tarp electric switch for the electric motor, open and close, and this is your air tailgate air cylinder to open and close the tailgate. And we'll go ahead and make a video on the outside demonstrating all these functions.